Do all the different types of Crackle paints confuse you? Not getting the results you want? I'm going to show you what the different types of Crackle paints do and the end results of each one, along with some techniques, tips, and tricks for beginners and experienced crafters alike. Hi, I'm Donna from Mason Creations, etc., and welcome to my channel. If you're ready, let's get started making a mess. The first one I'm going to show you is a Crackle medium by DecoArt. I pre-painted this board with some gesso to start, and now I'm giving it a coat of brown paint. This is a one-step Crackle method. The paint that you put on the bottom is the color that will show through in the cracks. I'll let that dry for about 30 minutes. Now I'm painting on the Crackle medium, and I'll let that dry for an hour or so. Where are you watching from? Let me know in the comments. It's fun to see what cities and countries you are all watching from. I'm filming from Las Vegas, Nevada in the United States. The Crackle medium is dry now, and I'm going to paint on some cream-colored paint. You'll see that as I'm brushing on the paint, it already starts cracking. This method is great for making something look old and weathered. It has large cracks, letting the bottom paint color really show through. It's so cool to watch it cracking. You can see this method used in a project by clicking the card above. The next method I'm going to show you is also a one-step method. It's a Crackle Glaze by DecoArt Media. I'm giving the board a coat of white paint and letting that dry for about 30 minutes. This one is put on top of your paint color, and it will do the cracking, not the paint. The cracks are very different. The cracks are super small and almost eggshell cracks. The paint is dry, and I'm now painting on the Crackle Glaze. And I'll let that dry for about an hour or so until you can see the cracks. If you're enjoying and finding some value in this video, please hit that like button for me. Doing so helps my channel to grow and sends this video to more people out there. That way I can continue to bring you awesome tutorials. Thanks for doing that. Now that the Crackle is dry, I'm going to add some antiquing medium to bring out all the cracks. I'm brushing it on and then wiping it off right away. This gives a kind of leather appearance. This method is good for making something look old and vintage, but in a very delicate way. You'll see there are places where the crackle is more prominent than others. The thickness of the Crackle glaze determines the cracking. The thicker it goes on, the more cracks you'll get. And now I'm going to show you how to use plain old Elmer school glue to get some crackles. I pre-painted the board with a coral color, and I'm brushing some Elmer's glue over top of the dry paint. Are you having any craft problems you can't figure out? Or maybe something you'd like to learn? Send me a comment. I'd love to try and help you. I answer every single comment I receive. I love hearing from all of you and look forward to reading all your comments. While the glue is still wet, I'm going to paint my contrasting color right on top of the wet glue. And it starts cracking immediately. This method has a really interesting look to it and is also great for making a piece look old and weathered. Send me a comment and let me know what type of project you would like to see next. Decoupage, mixed media canvases, or more mason jar decorating? Your suggestion could be my very next video. Now I'm going to be explaining the differences between Pentart Classic, Crackle Varnish, and Pentart Fine Line Crackle. They are two completely different looks. They are both a two-step process. I'm adding component number 1 for each one of them on the board. First the classic and then the fine line. And I'll let that dry for about an hour. I'm getting ready to roll out all my spring projects. Lots of flowers. You'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. Now that it's dry, I'm adding component number 2. First the classic and then the fine line. Component number 2 for the fine line is an amber color. Make sure you put this on in smooth, even strokes. If it pools anywhere or gets too thick in any one area, you'll see the amber color when it dries. I'll let that dry for 2 or 3 hours. Once dry, you'll see the cracks. The classic Crackle has very small cracks, very similar to the DecoArt Media Crackle Glaze, but the cracks are a little bit more consistent. The fine line Crackle has large cracks and when finished will look just like aged porcelain. You can get deeper cracks and more cracks by using a heat gun or blow dryer for just a couple minutes. In order to make the cracks stand out, I'll be using a few different types of antiquing methods. I'm using some dark brown oil paint as the first method on the fine line Crackle. It works the same as some of the antiquing pastes available, but is very reasonable cost-wise. I'm wiping it on with a soft cloth and then wiping it off. It'll stay in just the cracks. You can use any color of oil paint for some really cool effects. I'm using a blue one so you can see how inventive you can get with Crackle mediums. You will only want to use an antiquing medium that is solvent-based. Anything water-based will ruin your Crackle finish. If you'd like to see a project using this method, click the card in the upper right-hand corner. You can also brush on some mica powder and wipe it off. This produces relatively the same effect, but has a little bit of an iridescent look to it. Now I'm working on the classic Crackle. I'm using the mica powder first, and then the brown and blue oil paints, just like I did on the fine line Crackle. If you'd like to see a project using this method, click the card in the upper right-hand corner. I'm also using a water-based antiquing medium on the classic Crackle. I'm brushing it on and then wiping it off. You can only use this one on the classic Crackle, not the fine line. So now you know everything there is to know about 5 different Crackle methods. I put together a playlist of some other tutorials you may enjoy. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.